Hello friends, welcome to another vlog of Food and Travel Voyager. Today we are going to visit a pastry and a chocolatery shop which is known as Coco Ethis. Let's go. This is located at Atlantis Shoppers in Vesu, Surat. We just got attracted with the board outside and just wanted to know about this shop. So can you tell us about this shop, how it was established and what's your profession?
I've established this thing 2 years back,
Okay.
and I'm focusing on chocolates. It's completely pure chocolates, and we are into bean to bars. More, I'm focusing on healthy chocolates. It's completely bean to bars. We convert beans
Okay.
into the bars,
Okay.
and my vision is that I want to give good quality pure chocolate to the customer, to the
Okay.
end person.
So your display looks awesome and attractive. We already feel like having it कि भाई आओ हमको खाओ करके type of feeling.
Thank you so much.
But as a profession, you have done any course?
Here, I did my master's in bean to bar.
Okay.
I did my diploma in baking and patisserie.
Okay.
I'm a certified chef in baking and patisserie and the chocolate. I did my diploma from City and Guild London, that is affiliated with 32 Degree studio in Mumbai.
Okay.
So from there, I did my complete learning.
Okay. Nice. So it seems to be a very professional shop being set up in Surat right now.
Yeah.
आज ये पांचवें दरवाजे पर एक डिजाइन से कि it has a meaning to it.
Yeah, definitely it has a meaning. Yeah, this is a goddess of the chocolate, cacao.
Okay.
Here, this is the muffins which I belong to the patisserie also. The muffins, bowls, and this is the sun, moon. The bar, chocolate bar. This is the cocoa pod, which we do with the temperature. Like this is a thermometer. These are again the breads.
Okay. So you have your shop been displayed on this.
Based on here.
So I could see this on the chocolate bars as well.
Here,
So it's the same.
same thing. It's on the chocolate bar also. So that this thing connect me with the nature.
Okay.
Here.
So it has a meaning of it's more associated with your profession or the shop.
And yeah, exactly.
So now Vipasha will take us through her products and journey, how this shop was started, and will explain her products on the display.
These are all 6 variants I have in bean to bars. This is 38% milk chocolate. This is 38% hazelnut. In hazelnut, we are not using any artificial flavors. We are just adding the nuts in this.
Okay.
And this is 40% berry. In this, we are adding cranberry, blueberry, and the almonds. And this is 55% almond. These are the dark chocolates like 55, 60 plain, and this is orange. Again orange, we are not using any flavors, we are using extracts of that
Okay. So these are milk chocolates. First 3 are the milk chocolates. Then the next 3 are more on the dark side.
one, yeah. That's a more bitter
Okay. And what about the chocolates we see on the displays over here?
Yeah, these are all truffles, like first truffle, plain truffle, dark plain truffle. This is rose, coconut truffle, and that is hazelnut.
Okay.
Again in rose coconut truffle, we have not used any essence for the rose. Rose petals we have infused in the प्रोसेस एंड उसका जो मतलब फ्लेवर जो आता है उसी में से ही उसका मतलब वी हैव एक्सट्रैक्टेड
Okay. So what I understand is all the ingredients are natural,
Natural.
without any artificial flavors
Exactly.
and colors,
Yeah,
right?
exactly, yeah. And these are all solid pieces in the center one. Again, that is all from the nuts. This is dark chocolate. Again, this is the same milk and the dark chocolate. These are all nuts, hazelnut, almond and cashew nuts. This is hazelnut, cashew nut and the almonds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are all nutty flavors, and the first two are the plain ones.
Plain ones, yeah. And this last one are all bonbons. That is all artisan chocolates.
And what are the flavors?
Yeah, raspberry vanilla, passion fruit vanilla. One is ganache, and this one is caramel ganache. This one.
Okay. And the last one?
That's a ganache.
And yellow?
The passion fruit vanilla. It's the same thing like so much.
Okay.
I have changed the
Okay.
color actually. Passion fruit cake accordingly.
So the bottom ones are called as bonbon,
Bonbons, yeah. That's all artisan chocolates.
and the middle layer are
Solid pieces like made with just added a nuts and
Okay,
the chocolate.
okay.
That's it.
okay.
And the top one are all truffles.
Okay. Can you explain us the products which are there on the top of the shelf?
Yeah, this is again orange. This is espresso coffee. This is newly introduced in my store.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all pan nuts. We can say dries also, but of course these are all made in pure chocolate itself, not with the
So-
compound.
Looking at it, what I can say is, in a basic layman's language, looks like a nutties,
Yeah,
Cadbury's,
exactly. Yeah,
but
exactly.
in a pure chocolate
Pure
form.
chocolate form, yeah.
Okay.
This is butterscotch. This one is in dark chocolate almond, and this one is hazelnut in milk chocolate.
Okay.
And these are all cookies which we made from ghee and the wheat flour. Again, this one is ragi cookies. This is the healthier one.
Okay. And what are these?
It's the same cookies jar we have
Okay.
made in that.
It looks like a barrel packing.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Can we have a taste of few of your bourbons or chocolates?
Yeah, sure.
I was more interested in passion fruit and this one.
Okay.
That
That
those
is
are
in
covered.
55% dark almonds. This is in white chocolate, and again this is in white chocolate but with the passion fruit and the vanilla flavor.
Okay, and even the purple one is a white chocolate or it's
Yeah,
a
the
dark
same,
chocolate?
same. Uh,
Even you have a different kind of packings over here.
here, sir.
So, like you do as per the customer's
As per
taste.
the the customer wants their like specific things, that also we can do, or they can have from my end also, like they can have such boxes from me also.
Okay. I found this basket very attractive. So for Diwalis or some occasions, looks pretty.
Yeah. Thank you.
So are these packaging on extra cost or additional cost or?
Sure, sir. That will cost separate.
Okay.
This is completely with the basket, and this all products cost around 14.99.
So this is a hamper which you have.
Here. We have lots of numbers. This is the one. This cost 11.99 again. This cost 1,099 with the 3 pan nuts.
Okay.
This is with 4 jars of pan nuts inside. And this cost
This
17.
looks Indian, like
Here.
peacock on it
Yeah.
with some work.
It's little. This costs 1,800 for this box with
Okay.
4 jars of pan nuts.
Okay. So customers can have their own style of packing as per their taste.
Exactly, and even they can customize what they want inside the hampers or in the chocolate layer.
It seems to be a very personalized shop. You can have
Yeah, exactly.
your own taste and packaging done.
Exactly. Sir.
Okay, let's taste. Which should we start with? As per your.
This one is little bit tangy
Okay.
and the sweet. This is sweet again. This is little bit bitter.
Okay, let's try with coconut and rose. Coconut and rose seems to be like mithai, coconut burfi kind of.
Festivals are like Diwali is there, so we have tried up to go with such products like लोग मिठाई और chocolate दोनों का मजा ले सके.
It has a filling inside and a coconut coating outside. So what I can see, a filling inside is a white chocolate,
Here.
milk chocolate basically.
White, no, it's white chocolate. It's not milk.
Okay, it's a white chocolate. I like the taste. Instead of person like me would prefer this chocolates instead of coconut burfi.
Thank you.
अच्छा, so that's desi gulab ka petals that we have.
Yeah, what अंदर भी जो उसका आपको taste आया होगा, that we have infused in the cream. And
Okay.
then we have like उसके अंदर we have not used any essence for that.
Now let's hop on to the another flavor. Moving on to the passion fruit,
Yeah.
a bourbon. It has a two filling. One is white chocolate and a
That's
passion
right.
fruit. It's a fruit itself,
Here itself.
so
I
giving a
prefer
nice
pure
taste. We are having a natural chocolate.
In the jelly powder, prepare
People
your
who like a little bit of tangy chocolate would enjoy this more.
Actually, I've tried to balance white chocolate with the tanginess because white chocolate is more sweeter than the
Hmm.
milk and the dark chocolate.
Right. It's giving a balance like a sweet white chocolate plus a tangy flavor of a passion fruit.
Exactly.
Now the final one, Shahi Dawat. Call it as a nutty chocolate.
Yeah. It's in 55%.
55% dark chocolate.
chocolate.
And in nuts, what do we have?
This is almonds, yeah. We have in cashew nuts and the hazelnut. That is in milk chocolate, hazelnut.
So this is only purely almonds, right?
Purely almonds, yes.
You can see it's loaded with almonds. और अगर मैं बोल सकूं, almonds को सिर्फ चॉकलेट में डिप करके रखा हुआ है. So it's that nutty.
This one is hazelnut.
Loaded with almonds. It's crunchy and tastes good with dark chocolate. Combination is very good. I would definitely like to have few of the chocolates, but would like to know does they stay long outside or we need to refrigerate them?
Here, definitely you have to refrigerate. But this bonbons, if you want to carry outside like Surat, so I prefer no.
Okay,
Otherwise, I have to give some ice gel and all
okay,
with that. Rest so solid pieces can be like you can carry. Yeah, if you're from outside Surat, then you can have this type of bars,
okay.
which are there on Amazon, Flipkart also.
So we can order this from
Yeah,
there.
from Amazon, Flipkart, definitely.
Nice. So these deliveries are all over India.
All over India, yeah.
You can order this anywhere in India. I would like. Okay, so that was nice meeting you and knowing lot of things about chocolate. Enjoyed the natural chocolate with purest of ingredients.
Thank you so much, sir.
I would definitely would like to have few of the nut flavors
Sure.
and a bar.
Whatever you want, we just
Okay.
better for you.
I hope you enjoyed the video. and you have learned or gained knowledge about the ingredients that have been used over here in the purest form. Do come and visit this shop and enjoy the treats. Thank you.